Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be taking a look at the Marykay highlighter and bronzer cream duo sticks. These are one of the new limited edition items that came out for Marykay, and I am very excited for these. These are something that I am really looking forward to trying out for you guys today. I have not put these on my face yet, so it's definitely going to be a learning curve demonstration today, but I still wanted to make sure that I took you guys along with me so that you could see what works or what doesn't work as far as applying and whatnot. So without further ado, let's get started. So there's two different colors of bronzer that they have now. I only purchased one of the two colors. So the one that I have here is Honey and Luster. And so you can see that it actually has more of a matte finish on this side and a shimmery finish on this side. So I think for today, I'm going to demonstrate the matte side, but I'm actually going to use a blending sponge for now, just because I think it's going to be more easier blending applicator to try out for now. Just because it is, the first time using it, I figured this might just be the easiest way to go about it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the bronzer in a couple different areas and blend it out, and we'll see how it looks.
I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch.
Go ahead and move on to the highlighter. And so this is what it looks like. This is a very beautiful iridescent looking color. It's really hard to see that in the camera, but it does have a little bit of a warm pinky glow to it. It's very, very pretty in person. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this light color. And then here's the golden side, which is still a very light color, but just because this is so different, I think I'm going to go with the lighter highlighter color first.
I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm time like crazy, knowing you're here by my side, and I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better, a whole lot better.
Honestly, just because of the blending sponge and the way it's shaped and the fact that I don't want to use the second one, I'm just going to use that flat side of this blending sponge for now.
You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do.
Look at that color. Look at the color that it gives. I might have to rearrange the camera a little bit so you can see that. But it is so pretty, very shimmery, but not like sparkly shimmery, just a little bit of like a glowy shimmery.
A whole lot better, a whole lot
better. That gives you a really nice little shimmer there, a little bit of a highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my powder. Now I do use which this will probably be a very good thing for this. I use the translucent powder. That's what I choose to use because, you know, the colors aren't kind of competing with each other as far as, you know, putting like an ivory color on top of this or anything. So
she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this.
And there, that is the finished product, and that is so pretty. I wish I could show you a little bit better. The camera's not exactly taking it up as much as I wish it would. Okay, well, I apologize for the change in scenery behind me. Unfortunately, the natural sunlight coming through was just not working well with where my desk is right now. So I wanted to make sure you got to really see the finished product of the cream highlighter and bronzer, and this is just the best place to show you that in good lighting. So I think it worked very, very well. I'm very happy with the color that it is. I highly recommend using a blending sponge to blend them because it did so well blending with the foundation that I already had on my face that it is just a very natural transition. So personally, I think it looks really, really good. I am definitely going to use this every day, and I'm hoping that they do last for a while because I might get more than one so that it tides me over for a while, because these are limited edition right now, so they're not going to be around forever, which is very sad because a couple years ago I loved the cream blush duo sticks and I used that all the time. Nowadays I don't use blush as much as I use contour and highlighter, so when these came out I had to have them. So I am so happy I got them, and I'm so glad they turned out so well. I'm very happy with the finished product of using the two of these. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that it was helpful to you. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know in the comments down below. I'd be so happy to help you out with whatever questions you have. If there's any sort of product that you would like me to try out, let me know, because I am a firm believer in knowing before you buy something if you're going to like it or not. So let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you let me know. If this was helpful to you, if you learned something, feel free to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe so that you get to see my future tutorials and product reviews in the future. But that is it for today. Until next time.